Hey guys, Zed Productions here. In this video, I'm taking a look at the Sony WF-1000XM4 true wireless earbuds. These are really premium and the best earbuds you can buy on the market. These go for about $279, and I've been seeing videos about them all over, so I definitely had to pick up a pair because I was in the market for new wireless earbuds anyways. I currently use the AirPods second generation, and those do not have active noise cancellation like this does. I got this in silver because I thought it looked really nice, but the other color variant is black, and it comes in this really nice and small minimalistic box with not much to it. Here's the earbuds case itself. The earbuds case has 16 hours of charge, and the earbuds itself can hold 8 hours of charge. Inside, here's a little picture with a QR code getting you set up. The app you have to download is the Sony Headphones Connect, and the app is pretty easy to use, and setting these up is really easy. These are also IPX4 water resistant, and here's the rest of the paperwork inside the box. The link will be down in the description below if you guys want to purchase this. It's actually cheaper on Amazon right now. It's $248 instead of the $279. So make sure you go check that out, and there's more specs on there too, more than what I'm going to cover on here. There's also two different earbud size. There's a bigger one and a smaller one in case the medium one that's pre-equipped does not fit you. There's a short USB Type-C cable, and the charging case is also wireless, so you can wirelessly charge it, which is really nice. Here's the case itself in this nice sandstone silver color. And I gotta say that Sony does not make it easy to take these pull tabs off. The case has a nice sandstone texture to it as well. Kind of a matte finish. On the top, there's the Sony logo in gold lettering. And inside, there's your earbuds. They're actually pretty big, and they fit nice. There's also an indicator light in the front. It's yellow/orange when it's not fully charged, and green when it's fully charged. They're pretty big, and they fit pretty nicely, except sometimes in the right ear, the whole top does not fit in for mine, and it's like keeps falling out until you properly adjust it and kind of like tuck it under your ear. But these are pretty nice. Only time will tell if they're durable and they last, but they're a lot of money, so I hope they're good. So far, I use them and I really like them. The audio presets are nice, and just listening to music. So far, these are really good. The noise cancellation is great. The music is great. Battery life is amazing. So let's see if I'll update my review in 30 days. Stay tuned. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.